step-by-step guide to deploy and configure an Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set. A Virtual Machine Scale Set, VMSS, is a great way to deploy and manage a group of identical VMs. This guide outlines the steps to create and configure a VMSS in Azure. Follow these steps to set up your scale set for this lab. 1. Start deployment. 1. Log into the Azure portal. 2. Click Create a Resource from the home screen. 3. Use the search bar to search for Scale Set. 4. From the search results, select Virtual Machine Scale Set. 5. On the VMSS page, click Create to begin. 2. Basic configuration. 1. Select the resource group prod RG from the dropdown. 2. Enter a name for the scale set, e.g. My Scale Set. 3. From the availability zone dropdown, select Zone 1 for high availability. 4. Choose Standard from the security type dropdown. HasRock 3. Auto Scaling Setup. 1. Scroll down to the Auto Scaling section and click Configure. 2. Click the pencil icon to edit the auto scaling configuration. Set initial instance count to 1. Set minimum instance limit to 1. Set maximum instance limit to 3. 3. Configure auto scaling rules. For scaling out, set CPU threshold greater than to 75%. For scaling in, set CPU threshold less than to 25%. 4. Save the auto scaling configuration. Start Plan 4. Scaling Policy. 1. In the scaling policy settings, select Default, which removes instances based on typical load balancing patterns. Save the policy settings. Star 5. VM size and admin account. 1. Choose the size of the VMs for the scale set. 2. In the username field, supply an admin account name. 3. Enter and confirm a password. 6. Configure disks. 1. Proceed to the Disks section. 2. Attach a data disk by clicking Create and attach a new disk. Set the disk size to 8 gigabytes. Choose the P10 performance tier. 3. Confirm the settings by clicking OK twice. Networking and management. 1. Accept the default network settings in the networking section. 2. Move to management and set the upgrade mode to manual for full control over updates. 8. Health monitoring and advanced settings. 1. In the health monitoring section, accept the default settings. 2. Skip configuration in the advanced section. 9. Tags and review. 1. Skip tagging by clicking Next Tags. 2. Click Review and Create to review all configuration settings. 3. Ensure everything is correct and click Create to begin deployment. 10. Access the scale set. 1. Wait for the deployment to complete. This may take a few minutes.